Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so I have purchased a truck for my camper, and this truck is a 1989 GMC 2500. I got this truck for $1,000, and so I looked all over Facebook Marketplace, and there's not very many 2500s once you go looking for them. Most of the trucks are your 1500, your halftime. So there's a dent there, and there's some rust there, and rust there. And so I looked at the suspension, and the frame looks decent. So there's surface rust on the frame, but minor dents, throughout and stuff like that. This is like GMC's version of the work truck. So there's a dent here. And this area here is kind of messed up. They're a little. And so it's pretty much the condition. Some of these rear quarter pieces. It's a little rust here. I just want to give you a headache bar. So we've got a cracked windshield, but it's not that evident from the outside. So the interior is rough, But the transmission seems to shift okay, and so it leaks some transmission fluid like a lot of the older ones I've, had and stuff. So like that. So I'd like to have, if I'm going to fix it up some, I'd like to have bucket seats, in the console in this truck. I like the Super Sport, honestly. That's the one that I really like the most, is the Super Sport. Super Sport pickup. So, but this is the more basic version. It's the SL. So there's a lot of things you can do to a truck. I know they're pretty expensive. Trucks are expensive, so they cost a lot of money. So, I would just as soon have this truck as to have any other one. You can do things to it here and there to make it a little more presentable. This truck has a 350 engine in it. 3-speed automatic transmission, and I don't know how many miles are really on it. So, but a lot of the old trucks that I've looked at are really, really rough anyway, and so they have a lot of miles on them and stuff like that either way. So, a lot of these trucks have a lot of miles on them, so I'm not going to spend a lot of money on it. I just want to have a starter, a starter truck, just something to be able to, experiment with RVing and have something to be able to haul my camper with, stuff like that. Something like that, just to get started. So, and here's my camper. So for right now, I'm going to leave my window. And I'm going to get this camper put back together.